Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of microscopes with the Andonstar AD210S-Pro, a 4K 60 FPS digital microscope marketed as a game changer for soldering, coin examination, and more. This microscope boasts some impressive specs, including that 4K 60 FPS recording, a 64MP camera, and a hefty Pro boom arm stand. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. One of the standout features is undoubtedly the 4K 60 FPS HDMI output. The image quality is crisp and clear, providing a smooth, lag-free experience, especially beneficial for intricate tasks like soldering. The real-time display is a huge plus, allowing for precise movements and adjustments. No more blurry, pixelated images. This microscope delivers a truly immersive viewing experience. And speaking of immersive, the integrated microphone is a welcome addition. Being able to record audio alongside your 4K video opens up a world of possibilities, from creating detailed tutorials to documenting your work process. Now, this isn't just a microscope, it's also a powerful 64MP camera. This dual functionality adds incredible value, allowing you to capture stunningly detailed still images of your work. Imagine capturing the intricate details of a rare coin or documenting the minute features of a circuit board. The possibilities are endless. The Andonstar Pro boom arm stand is a significant upgrade from previous models. The 360-degree rotation provides unparalleled flexibility, allowing you to position the microscope exactly where you need it. The stand is also surprisingly sturdy, built from durable metal, making it perfect for high-temperature soldering environments. With a height of approximately 13 inches, it offers a comfortable working distance, even for larger projects. Connectivity is also a strong point. With both HDMI and PC outputs, sharing and editing your captured content is a breeze. No more fiddling with proprietary software. Simply connect to your computer or monitor and you're good to go. The triple adjustable LED lighting system is another thoughtful feature. With top, side, and bottom lights, you can illuminate your subject from multiple angles, eliminating shadows and ensuring optimal visibility. This is particularly useful for examining objects with complex surfaces like coins or circuit boards. In terms of practical use, the AD210S-Pro offers a generous 13-inch working distance, making it suitable for a variety of applications. The object distance adjustment is smooth and precise, allowing you to quickly focus on your subject. Whether you're soldering tiny components, inspecting coins, or observing biological slides, this microscope provides the clarity and precision you need. However, no product is perfect. While the boom arm is sturdy, it can feel a bit stiff at times, requiring a bit more force to adjust than ideal. Also, the software provided for PC use could be more intuitive and feature-rich. While it performs the basic functions adequately, there's room for improvement in terms of user interface and advanced features. Overall, the Andonstar AD210S-Pro is a powerful and versatile digital microscope that delivers on its promises. The 4K 60 FPS video, integrated microphone, and robust stand make it a valuable tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. While there's room for improvement in the software and arm stiffness, the overall performance and image quality are exceptional. If you're in the market for a high-quality digital microscope for soldering, coin collecting, or any other close-up work, the AD210S-Pro is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.